In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot in just 5 minutes. This process will allow you to have your domain seamlessly integrated with HubSpot, providing better management of your marketing, sales, and service functions all from one platform. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage, open your favorite web browser, and enter the HubSpot URL. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Log In. Click on it and proceed to enter your login credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you might want to create one now to continue with the process. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot home dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for all activities related to HubSpot, and this is where you'll initiate the domain connection. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a sidebar with various options. Look for the one labeled Content, as you'll need to click on this to proceed. After you've clicked on Content, the next area you'll want to focus on is Domains and URLs. This setting is crucial because it manages all your web address configurations. Clicking on Domains and URLs will present you with more options related to domain management. Now the next step is to connect the domain. You'll see a button that says Connect a Domain. Go ahead and click on this button. It's important you take a look at the domains that HubSpot supports and ensure that your desired domain is compatible. Following this, HubSpot will ask you to designate whether this domain will be your primary domain. Select Primary from the list of options. The primary domain is where most of your web content will live, and it's often the main domain you want associated with your brand. After selecting Primary, you'll be prompted to click on Connect. Clicking this button will start the domain connection setup process. HubSpot is quite user-friendly and should guide you through the setup process step by step. Next, you'll be required to enter the domain name that you want to connect to HubSpot. It's a simple but essential step, as typing in the correct domain name ensures successful integration. Take a moment to verify the spelling of your domain before typing it into the provided field. After you've entered your domain name correctly, you'll see a button labeled Next. Click this to proceed. This step completes the basic setup of your domain connection. HubSpot might take you through additional verification steps depending on your domain provider. Be sure to follow any additional prompts to ensure a complete and successful connection. And there you have it, your domain is now connected to HubSpot, allowing you to integrate and streamline your activities. With your new setup, you can explore all the tools HubSpot offers to enhance your business strategies. Don't forget to test your website to make sure everything is running smoothly.